Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is the day 11 of our 20-day React full course. In last video, we learned about React Router and create multiple pages. And today we are learn about prop drilling and state lifting. First of all, let's make a React app. First of all, what is prop drilling? Prop drilling happens when we data pass from parent component to deeply inside the child component. Pop drilling happens when we pass data from parent component to child component and again in the nested child component through multiple layers. Let me give an example here. Let's suppose this is the parent component. Let's suppose this is parent component and here parent component pass some prop here in the child component. There is a grandchild here, grandchild, which want that same prop from parent. The grandchild component is used in child component, not in the parent component. That's why they need to pass data from parent to child, then similarly child to grandparent. Let me give a very simple example here. I'm making a prop here using state. First of all, I'm making a component inside the src folder. Component list never dot jsx, and in the component also there is one more component. Let's suppose logo dot jsx, and I want to let make a never here, never here, and import never from never. Okay, I have to make capital from let's make a function here. Function never and return a div never. Export default. It is working, but showing error here. Maybe because I have changed this name and logo. And here, let's suppose I am passing a prop from here, a name, which whose name is suppose Nitin. Good. And in the name bar, I'm taking it here like in the name, and I am going to use it here, name, for checking. Is it working? Name, and it should show my name. Okay, it is not because I have to write it in curly braces. Now it's working. But let's suppose I want to pass this name into the logo. How can I do it? I've taken a name. Okay, I have to pass from here a name equal to name. And now it is showing me the name which is passed from ape to navbar, then navbar to logo. Okay, and if let's suppose I have one more thing here, like there is one more component. I have to pass like this only. Yes, I can use it here, but I have how if I want to use name in the logo, I have to pass it through component, their parent component. Let's suppose I want the name in my child component. Name in the child component, but name is in the parent component. I have to pass name from child then grandchild. I cannot directly pass this name into the child component. This is what I want to mean. And this is called the prop drilling. Prop drilling works fine in small app, but in the big app, it can come messy. I'm going to explain you state lifting. State lifting is sometime like two sibling has sharing the same data. In such case, we move state to the closest common parent. Okay, like this both are using say similar prop, same prop, but if anything will change, let's suppose this is using set cost, set name, and this is using name, and if set name change, it will it will update in app and it will send it back to the child one. Let's give example here. Let's so first of all I am making a state name comma set name, and here and I am using child 1 here and child 2. Okay, and here I am going to send in the child 2 um set name, set name, and in the child 2 I am sending name and name. Okay, and in child 1, let's I'm taking function child 1, I'm taking name, and let's I am writing it here, return if I'm writing it here name, which is my name, and yes, I'm writing it here name, and let me export default default child 1, and similarly in function child 2, I'm taking a set name and returning a div here where I'm okay, I'm not returning div, I'm writing a button through which on click on click I am going to set name whatever is whatever I want to uh, print in the set name. Let's suppose this is uh, I'm taking it here from, let's suppose I'm taking nothing, but it will set name to Nitin. Okay, and is it okay? Is it working? What is the problem going on here? Child does not provide export. Okay, I have not provided export. Export default child 2, and now it should work. And it's working. And I'm writing something in the button. Name is, when I click on name is, it will show me the name. It is showing me the name. What is happening? From the child 2, it is setting name to Nitin, and it is passing this set name to app.js, and here it update the state, and update the state name is passed to child 1, and it is changing the name from child 1. This is called state lifting in React.js. And thank you for watching this video. We will meet tomorrow.